This is why you're not productive. You say you want more out of life, but you're stuck. You wake up, scroll, try to get things done, but by the end of the day you're drained, frustrated, and still haven't touched the one thing that actually mattered. Why? Because productivity isn't about waking up at 5 a.m., chugging green smoothies, or reading 10 self-help books. It's about facing the truth you keep avoiding. And if you don't face it, you'll keep wasting time while your goals remain nothing but dreams. Part 1. You're waiting for the right mood. You tell yourself, I'll start when I feel more focused. But here's what really happens. You wait and wait until the day's over. And then you forget again. Because you're trying to be productive only when it feels good. But real productivity? It's what you do when it doesn't. That's what separates achievers from everyone else. You can't build a solid life around your emotions. You build it by taking action, even when you don't want to. So the mindset shift is simple. Don't wait to feel ready. Just start, even when your energy is low. Because once you start, motivation always shows up after. Always. Not long ago, I realized I wasn't actually being productive. I was just keeping busy, constantly doing things but never really moving forward. That's why I tried Ali Abdaal's productivity course on Skillshare. And honestly, it changed everything. He breaks productivity down into systems you can actually stick to. One lesson that hit me hard was the power of habits. How tiny daily changes can compound into massive results over time. But here's the truth. Some of you are busy non-stop, yet going nowhere. You've got 6 half-finished projects, 3 business ideas collecting dust, and a dozen tabs open on your laptop. But nothing's actually done. That's not impressive. It's exhausting. You're confusing busy with productive. So here's the fix. Pick one thing and finish it. Don't drift. Do it every day. Get it done. Because productivity isn't about doing everything. It's about getting the right thing finished. Part 3. Your phone is killing your focus. Be honest. How many times have you checked it today? 5, 20, 50? Every time you pick it up, your focus dies. Your brain has to reboot. You just open TikTok for a second and 30 minutes vanish. You answer a text mid-task, and your flow disappears. Your phone is the main reason you feel distracted, drained, and unmotivated, even when you've barely done anything. So here's the mindset shift. Protect your focus like your life depends on it. Because it does. Put your phone on the other side of the room. Turn off notifications. Give yourself one distraction-free hour every day. 1 hour of deep focus beats an entire day of multitasking. Part 4. You don't keep promises to yourself. You say, tomorrow I'll get serious. Then tomorrow comes, and nothing. You say, I'll wake up early, hit the gym, build my business. Then you stay up late scrolling instead. You keep breaking the most important promise you'll ever make, the one you make to yourself. And every time you do, you lose trust. You lose faith in your own word. And here's what no one tells you. Once you stop believing yourself, you're stuck. Because how can you build anything if your own mind doesn't believe you, I'll follow through. So here's the shift. Start small. Do exactly what you said you'd do, every time, even if it's tiny. Said you'll work for 20 minutes? Do it. Said you won't scroll for an hour? Prove it. Part 5. You confuse learning with doing. Books, podcasts, motivational videos. You consume it all. You feel inspired, fired up. But then what? Nothing. No action, no execution, no results. Learning feels productive, but it's not. Here is the truth. Watching YouTube about starting a side hustle is not the same as starting one. Reading about discipline doesn't make you disciplined. Learning only matters once you act on it. So learn less, do more. Read a chapter? Apply it the same day. You don't need to be smarter. You don't need more time. You need to stop giving away your power. Stop saying, I'll do it tomorrow. Stop letting distractions or laziness run your life. And if you want to go deeper on this, watch the next video.